Are you sick? You look like tired. What happened with you?
Yes, you have noticed it. I feel tired and weak all the time. I have also a back pain. What should I do now?
Do you take any physical exercise every day?
No, I don't any physical exercise
Why don't you take any physical exercise every day?
because actually I love reading and in my free time I spend my time by watching mobile phones.
That is your main problem. Reading books is good habit, but physical exercise is very essential to keep our body fit.
Yes, really? What are the benefits of physical exercise?
Yes, physical exercise has a lot of benefits. Like it improves our blood circulation and it helps us to keep our body fit.
But I do mental work. Do I still need it?
Yes, of course. Exercise is good for both and mind. Physical exercise is also good for health because it reduces our tiredness.
Oh, but I don't have enough time to go to gym. What should I do now?
No need to go to gym. You can just walk, you can just run, you can just swim. It's good for you.
Yes, right you are. From tomorrow I will start walking in the morning, inshallah. Okay, thank you for giving me some suggestion. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you very much, Abdullah. Assalamu alaikum.